In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from your Monzo account to your Wise account. This process is simple and secure, allowing you to transfer funds with confidence. So let's dive into the steps and make this transaction as smooth as possible. To start, you'll need to open your Monzo app and log in. As soon as you do this, you'll find yourself on the Home tab where you can see your account balance along with a list of your recent transactions. This familiar setup ensures that you've got a clear view of your finances right from the start. Once you're on the home screen, you'll want to navigate to the Payments or Pay section of the app. Within this section, look for the option labeled Bank Transfer. This is the key step for directing your money to your Wise account, so be sure to select it carefully. Now, for this transaction to go through, we need to add Wise as a new payee in your Monzo account. To do this, pop open your Wise app or head over to their website. Your task here is to copy your account details from Wise. It's critical to ensure that you're viewing the correct currency account, whether it's in pounds, euros, or dollars. Double check your selection because this detail is crucial for an error-free transfer. After you've copied the necessary account details, navigate back to your Monzo account and paste those details exactly as they appear in Wise. Accuracy is crucial here, so take a moment to double check everything before you proceed to save these details. This careful verification step is invaluable in avoiding any potential errors in the transaction process. With Wise now set up as a payee, it's time to choose the amount you'd like to send. Carefully input the amount, then move on to review the confirmation screen. Make sure everything looks accurate and aligns with what you expect. If everything checks out, you're all set to complete the transfer with a simple tap. One of the beauties of using Monzo is that transfers often arrive within seconds. So you'll receive a notification from Monzo almost immediately, confirming your transaction. To finalize your process, open your Wise app and witness your updated balance ready for action. And that's the whole process. Your money is now securely transferred to your Wise account, where it's ready to be held in multiple currencies or used for sending internationally. With the seamless integration of Monzo and Wise, this transfer couldn't be easier. I hope this guide has empowered you to move your money with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy transferring.